We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
I have been got the good fortune of all of you come to my house and wish me and give me all this love. I've just spent 1 hour talking to my fans on the phone, and really feels nice. This is the something that I think of as a blessing, and it's just I cherish this. I don't take this as something that I deserve, but something that I've been blessed with. So it feels really good to be surrounded with so much love. I just wish I can make every single person in the world feel the way I feel right now. You know, the world would just be rid of any kind of pain, any suffering, and all the bad would just disappear. You know, if you can just spread all this love every day to everyone. So I think that's going to be my mission now, to try and spread that love. All that I've got on this day, I'm going to try and spread that every single day. Sabse pehli wish, I think my whole family, starting with Suzanne, of course, and then, you know, sab ek saath they all piled up and wished me at 12 o'clock. So I feel very blessed that, and also it reaffirms my belief that I'm on the right track, and I have to just keep doing what I'm doing. And through this, maybe I will help others, achieve in their life, because, I think when I was struggling, I had to see some examples. You know, you only learn by examples. So if I can be an example for others, that's a blessing. And it motivates me more. It makes me, work harder. मैंने क्या मांगा? Actually, पिछले कुछ some time in the past, I have encountered a lot of health issues. So I think I've realized that इस life में the most important thing really is health. तो अगर आपके पास health ना हो, then you really can't enjoy anything else in your life. It's through your body that you actually enjoy other things in your life. So I wish for myself, for my kids, for my family, for all of you, I wish the best of health. क्योंकि एक बार अपने हाथ में health होना, we can do anything. Everything else is a matter of effort. I was in bed for like a month. तो एक महीने में लोगों ने इतना प्यार भेजा through brownies and cupcakes. Some of those culprits are right here who have sent me all the brownies and cupcakes and all that. तो मैं खाते खाते depression में I became really fat. So my waist became 36.5 inches. That was 2 months back. So I have lost a lot of weight. I have tried to lose about some 10 kilos I've lost so far. यार, अगर आपने मेरी तस्वीर देखी होती कुछ 2.5 months back, you would have not thought that. तो मेरे हिसाब से sexiest is only a matter of effort. We all have the same bodies, same, shoulders, arms, legs, waist. सबके same ही है, सब कुछ same है. So it is just a matter of your, willpower in your diet and your nutrition and your exercise. Baki, it's nothing more than that. It doesn't make me greater than you at all. Thank you. She's been very, very special. She's a great co-star to work with, and I'm very comfortable with her. So Priyanka ke saath, it's always, she's like a live wire on set. So it's very nice to have that positivity. She's very bright and full of enthusiasm. और उन्होंने जो इस फिल्म में किया है, she's done, I think it's her best work till date. She'll really make you cry. I think I love Arjun Rampal a lot, and I love the fact that other actors can have so much love for each other in this industry, and I think that's what we should, how we should look at the industry, because all of them care so much about me and have such nice things to say about me. So feels very, very good, and whether 2012 belongs to me or not, it doesn't matter. As long as you guys are here next year, that would mean that I'm going on the right track. हमारे हाथ में तो कुछ है नहीं. We can't decide our destiny. जो हमारे बस में है, that is our effort that we can put, and I put my best effort into the film. और इसके साथ क्या होता है, that is up to, and I don't believe in image or image changing. मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, and I want to do all kinds of films. तो बुरी आदत तो थी यार. I was a smoker. I smoked for 2.5 years, और 3 पैकेट आई यूज्ड टू स्मोक. एक दिन में आई यूज्ड टू स्मोक 3 पैकेट्स एंड एक मुकाम आया व्हेन मुझे लगा कि बस अब आई हैव टू स्टॉप. तो आई कंप्लीटली गेव इट अप. तो I got my health back amazingly. After 2.5 weeks of just stopping smoking, my skin changed, my health became better. I felt so good. यार आज कोई पार्टी नहीं है. I've called my entire family to my house क्योंकि वक्त नहीं था to spend with my grandparents and my uncles, my aunts and my nieces, my nephews. So I have full extended family. I've called everyone to the house to spend time with them. Ready? Don't get tired singing. How many takes?